All right, y'all, you already know what time it is. It's your boy Moody Starr. I'm back again with another video. So Sunday just passed, and I know usually I do morning lives, and I also do, or I just drop videos during the day. Of course, I didn't today or the past day. I was like, you know what? I need to chill out, just in general. I just need a vibe. Wasn't really talking to too much people. I just feel like I'm in that era. I'm literally moving into that era of being in monk mode, and this has probably like been the longest time in a long time that I've been to myself, where I haven't really been communicating. I haven't really been talking to females like that. I mean, I have been, but I haven't like set up anything like, to hang out or chill or, do anything with basically. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just kind of chilling, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. Now, a couple of things I did realize, and when you go into monk mode, whoever you was connected with, whoever you was talking to, they still have like a tie to you. You feel me? But I'm gonna let you know right now, if you're at the point in this journey where you're either cutting things off, you're kind of like just really get into your own zone. You feel me? Like you really in that Zen mode. It's gonna be time. This will be a time where, you know how guys, they be like, oh yeah, I got my roster, I got the females that I talk to, XYZ. Nigga, right now, they outside. They are outside for real. You know what I'm saying? And I mean this in the most respectable way. And because they're outside, don't be surprised a month or 2 months from now, they come back to you. For some reason, it's weird as hell, bro. This, like, right now, this is exactly what I'm going through, bro. Any female that I even have any type of interest in, I'm going to keep it a bean. I know they probably messing with somebody else. They probably talking to somebody else. They probably having a different experience or whatnot. I'm totally unbothered by that. Before, I used to be like, man, whether or not she was my girlfriend or not, I used to be like, damn, bro, like, I don't want her talking to other dudes and da-da-da-da, XYZ. But then when I realized it, I'm like, yo, every time when I say, you know what, I'm going to take a step back, I'm going to fall back, I'm going to do me, I got to focus on myself. It's either a new female that pop up, which, by the way, got some baddies, bro. And I know y'all niggas be like, oh, the word baddies and da-da-da, that makes me cringe. Yeah, your mama makes me cringe too. Nah, but I was going to say, some bad females out there for real, for real. Low key, I don't know. It's the circle of life. That's what we like to call it. You know what I'm saying? Girls are like buses. Miss one, next 15, one coming. Shout out to Gucci Man for that legendary quote. But this is why I don't. First of all, I don't hate on nobody. I don't mind. Like, I just don't. I don't care, bro. Because at the end of the day, as long as I'm working on myself and I know my worth and I know what time it is, bro, like, it really don't matter, bro. It really don't matter. It really don't matter what anybody is doing or any type of, whether it's a female saying like, oh yeah, I like you, but I'm just gonna go outside in the streets. I will actually respect a female that will keep it a bean, keep it 100, and be like, look, you're not the only motherfucker I talk to. Because I know a lot of niggas do that shit too. I know, I mean, you know what I'm saying? I've been there. But, I'm just at that point in my life right now where my maturity level is just like kind of, surprisingly, I'm just at that point in time where I'm chilling, bro. I'm at pure peace. And this is why you don't ever put your full... This is why you don't put everything into a relationship right now, especially if you young. You feel me? If you young, 19, 20, 21, 22, hell, even like in your early 30s, bro, like you still got time. You still got time. And this is why, me personally, I like to be on monk mode. Well, I like to practice retention, but then also really be on monk mode because it just shows, I don't know, you just kind of grow. You need time to be to yourself. You need time to fast from a lot of things too, you know what I'm saying? And last week, I was able to fast from a couple of things. I was able to kind of limit the time of, with the females I was talking to or whatnot. And the thing about being on monk mode, you have a sense of peace and you're by yourself and you're vibing, but it's literally you charging yourself up and you preparing yourself for your new reality. Like, it's gonna be new people, it's gonna be new females, it's gonna be new situations, it's gonna be new jobs, it's gonna be new friends, it's gonna be new. It's about to be lit for real. And don't be surprised when people from your past come back, because they will try to come back. That's up to you as to whether or not you want to accept them back, or, shit, it is what it is. It's part of the game. Like, yeah, shawty, you left, and that's that. And that's the thing, bro. Like, as men, we just have to be realistic with this whole dating situation. Dating women and stuff, because women, regardless, dog, they got more options than men. They do. They may not have good options, but they got options. You know what I'm saying? But like, the best thing I would suggest to any young man, bro, especially if you're young, because I'm telling you right now, these females will do what they want to do. They either gonna do it and you not know, and she gonna take it to the grave, or she'll be straight up about it and be like, yeah, man, this is who I am. You feel me? Now, I will go with the latter. I always respect a woman who's just straight up, especially if I didn't ask for that type of information, but you just let me know, like, hey, it is what it is. It's cool, bro. And see, the best thing about this whole situation is that you don't have to worry about giving away your non-sexual energy or giving up your sexual energy in general. And then you also, when you hear it in your spirit that like somebody that you was like emotionally tied to or had some type of connection with, when you hear it that they are quote unquote outside type shit, I feel like with you, I feel like there's a certain point where it's just like, man, I got to keep it a being. You know what I'm saying? This is spiritual, beautiful. It's like being on the spiritual journey is nice. You know what I'm saying? It's beautiful. You be awakening and everything like that. But you also have to be aware of the reality of the situation. There's women that will be talking to other men that will sometimes even be talking to other women. This is the day and late age that we live in. Nobody don't really owe you nothing, bro. Truth be told, nobody don't really owe you no type of loyalty but yourself. Like, you owe yourself loyalty. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's just pretty much what I kind of noticed, bro. Like, whenever I take a step back and everything, and I just do me, spiritually speaking, dog, like, I still be having, like, I have connections to people who, you feel me, that I once connected with. It's so weird, It really is so weird, because, like, I be right every time. I be right every single time, dog. Like, this shit is mind-blowing. If I choose to think about somebody, or if I choose to, and that's what happens, bro. Like, your intuition does get a lot more stronger when you are holding on to your seat, you know what I'm saying? And then you get to a point where it's like, oh, this is a whole cycle, and this is a whole pattern. Some of y'all will be back. Some of y'all probably won't be back. You know what I'm saying? But as long as you are working on yourself every single day, going within, being high vibrational, working on your habits, working on, whether it's eating, whether it's, again, eating, listening to music, watching TV, watching the sports. Like, even this weekend, bro, I actually kind of fasted from watching sports. I did not watch one basketball game this weekend. I did not watch one basketball game this weekend. Now, I was watching basketball games like whenever they played, you feel me? But just kind of, and then even with the NFL. Now, I heard about the Detroit Lions. Shout out to the Detroit Lions, you know what I'm saying? They finally got a playoff win. And shout out to the two rookies, Jahmyr Gibbs and Sam Laporta. Them boys was balling. But I had to fast from. Bro, I had to fast from posting a video yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to post a video, but like something in my spirit was just like, bro, listen to your intuition, just chill, just vibe today. Just vibe today. You know what I'm saying? Like, whenever I choose to drop the video, it'll be on divine timing. Like, you know what I'm saying? Even right now, it's late as hell, or early as fuck in the morning, you feel me? Like 2 something in the morning, and I'm up doing this video, you feel me? But But that's what I realized, bro. Being on this journey, being on monk mode, and then also too, there's a lot of things internally that I still need to work on. You feel me? I also realized last week that I have an anger problem. And it's nothing where it's like not controllable or anything like that, but it's like the more I fast and I subtract certain things that I was depending on before, the more I do that, is the easier and quicker I get very agitated and very annoyed and I get mad. You know what I'm saying? Even with conversations going back and forth with certain people, literally it be from 0 to 1,000 real quick. So I also wanted to take a step back from interacting with people like that, and I just had to be in my zone, bro. I just had to be in my zone, bro. Like, that's just what it is. I think being on monk mode, being on the spiritual journey, it's never gonna be roses and petals. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's gonna be difficult. Sometimes you might fail. Sometimes, like, you know, again, last week I failed. You know what I'm saying? I failed with controlling some of my emotions. There's certain people that I was talking to, and you feel me? I got a little snippy fast, and I had to check myself. You know what I'm saying? And I know better too, but it's just like, this is the whole part of the process of growing and shit and letting things go. Letting things go. Again, there's certain things that I was depending on that will like help me to kind of cope with what I'm feeling. Now that I'm not using those things, I'm realizing, number one, I'm really doing this by myself type shit. Like, and it gives me confidence. It gives me confidence to say, okay, I fast from this. I'm not doing this type of lifestyle. Sex is the last thing on my mind. And literally, I'm not gonna lie, it's not a comfortable feeling. Like, it's really not a comfortable feeling. I'm gonna keep it a bean. As of recent, I've been having a lot of urges. Bro. Like, if I want to right now, there's options, there's females that I could go and do what I gotta do. But for some reason, something is telling me, especially this time around, like, bro, a cycle and a pattern is about to happen. What are you about to do? Because I'm telling you right now, if you have a lot of self-control, especially over this time, oh my goodness. Please, gentlemen, don't mess up your blessing. I'm telling you right now. Your blessing is going to be lit for real. I promise you. This happens every single time. You on monk mode, retention, on this journey, you take a step back. Any of the females you was talking to or not, get your mind off of them. The second that you get your mind off of them, bro, and start focusing on yourself, bro, that's when things will really change, bro. That's when things will really change. At times, it may seem like, damn, bro, it's going, like, why is it taking forever for my blessing? Or why is it taking forever for Moody Starr to come out with some new merch and shit like that? Yo, everything's going to happen in divine timing, bro. Everything will literally happen in divine timing, dog. Y'all just got to be patient, bro. You got to be patient, trust the process, understand that you already got what you wanted. You already got what you needed type shit. I think it's just a matter of divine timing at this point. That's serious, bro, because how I feel right now, I feel, and I'm glad I like that. I like to ask myself that question sometimes. Like, how do you feel right now? You got to check in with yourself, like, really. But how I feel right now is just like, man, everybody doing what they got to do, but I know motherfuckers going to double back, triple back. I know people about to spin the block. But it's like, the next time you spin the block, I don't know if the block going to be the same. I don't even think the block going to be there anymore. Monk mode provides the space for you to grow, and it's giving you space for your new blessings. It's giving you head space, emotional intelligence. Like, you're getting all of this new space, all of this new energy for the new, I would say, for the new people that you will come in contact with, the new high vibrational souls. I'm trying to tell you. Don't get caught up in the pattern of doing the same shit over and over again. Because what's going to happen is, if you have became spiritually awakened just now, right? And you try to go back to do the same shit that you did before, it's probably going to piss you off. It's probably going to piss you off. I'm trying to tell you. You probably, like, one day you're going to get very pissed off at yourself. You're like, yo, I've done this shit 1,000 times. I've conquered this shit 1,000 times. Why am I falling back into this pattern? And then you got to ask yourself, like, what's your purpose? Why are you here type shit? Are you here just to wake up, go to work, make a little money, try to find a little fling, and rinse and repeat? I would say this, my guys. Set some goals, bro. All right? Set some goals. Like, I want y'all to really set some real goals. Like, I got one goal in mind out the gate. I know this year is about to be a lit-ass year because I plan on going to Cali, I think in August. I'm going to be going to California in August. And it's going to be a dope experience. And I remember the last time I went to Cali, bro, all I know is I was in the best shape of my life. And I actually was going through some traumatic shit prior to that. That was the whole situation with the chick that I almost got pregnant or whatnot. So that was crazy. But yeah, bro, set some goals, man. If you can, if you need to travel for the summertime or anything like that. Because if you're in monk mode right now, the season of reaping what you sow is gonna be lovely, bro. It's gonna be super, super dope. You feel me? We're in the month of January right now. I say anything that you guys, I don't know, you guys don't have to, this is just a suggestion, but I'm just saying, like, in order to keep you focused and to keep you, like, you know what I'm saying, basically just focused on a goal, I say plan a trip. Plan a trip, go somewhere, go to New York, go to Cali, go to Jamaica. If you already got a job right now, it ain't nothing for you to save up a couple $100 for 3 months. 3 months, you can save up about $400-500, bro. And travel. Travel, go somewhere, go to a different place, and all that cultivated energy that you will accumulate between now and then, when you go out into the matrix and you actually have those experiences of like meeting and connecting with people, bro, it's gonna be a beautiful experience. I've done this before a couple years ago, and this is when I was new to semen retention. Like I still was working on it, but it was so gratifying, bro. Like just to be able to work towards something, work towards a goal, set a goal and then work towards it, whether it's working out, eating healthy, fasting, things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? And the very second, I don't know, this is like a reverse psychology type of thing. I don't know if it's like you put something in the air, but the very second you start focusing on yourself for real, that's when the real test happens. You know what I'm saying? That's when people will try to double back. People will try to spin the block. People will try to fuck with you. People will try to hit you up out of nowhere. People will try to they're going to get they're going to want some of your energy. They're going to tell you, hey man, my birthday's coming up. You should come through and da-da-da. Without your vibe, this shit wouldn't be nothing. People going to realize your vibe, dog. You know what I'm saying? So protect your energy. And never take nothing personal, bro. Never take nothing personal, dog. I know there's always a situation where there's females that do exist that you do like and they like you, but maybe y'all not in the place y'all want to be financially. I'm not gonna lie, these females is gonna choose. Don't get mad if she's like, you know what, I really like you, you're a nice guy, but there's another guy that I like, da-da-da-da. Listen, just because a nigga got money, that don't mean he an asshole. Let's be real. There's a lot of decent guys out there that do have money, and that's like, you feel me? They probably just like us. You feel me? They probably on retention too. They probably is just like on some monk mode type shit, and they done got their money up. You know what I'm saying? It's always gonna be like that. It's always gonna be somebody that has a little bit more money than you, probably a little bit more handsome. That's reality. You feel me? But don't ever take it personal. You feel me? Don't ever take it personal. Shit, I wouldn't even worry about these niggas. Nigga, I just continue to worry about myself. Let the energy speak for itself. Sometimes you gotta let these females find out that, hey, maybe there isn't better out there. And if it is better out there for them, so be it. You can't get mad. You can't hate the game. This is the game. This is what we live in 2024. The dating game. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you could be married to a female, man. She may not even be yours. And we have to be, and the main reason why I say don't feel no type of way is because a lot of times I hear from women who are in different relationships, different kinds of relationships. I'm talking married. I'm talking new couples. I'm talking divorced and whatnot. I'm talking like BMs, having baby fathers and all that. All types of different kinds of relationships that are out there that do exist, dog. I hear from a lot of these women. I have no business talking to some of these women. Some of them reach out to me, though. You feel me? So it's like, it's crazy. I get to see both sides of the spectrum. And I understand, like, okay, like, you could be in a relationship with a woman, but at the end of the day, bro, she's free. She's going to talk to whoever she wants to talk to. It is what it is. You can't really do nothing about that. Trust and believe. I'm Moody Starr, and just from what I hear from different women, I'm like, bro, I don't even know why you talking to me. Women be full-blown married and shit, but, you know, they want to step out and they want to, like, vibe. They want that loud pack. They want your boy's loud pack. You know what I'm saying? I got other women that don't care. It's like they in a good situation. The nigga got money and everything. But because they just fuck with my energy, they fuck with how I carry myself, they willing to give it up. I'm keeping it a bean. This shit is crazy. So this is why I don't put too much energy into, oh yeah, this is my girl, and yeah, this is my girl forever. Unless we got like some type of serious commitment where, like, you know what I'm saying, bitch, we gotta light some candles and shit, and we gotta pinky square and, you know what I'm saying, all this extra shit, some type of ritual. If there ain't no type of commitment like that, she ain't really yours, bro. She was never yours. She was never yours. A lot of these women gonna be out here choosing, bro. Real talk. But you can't get mad if she don't choose you. You can't get mad. If anything, that's a blessing for you. Trust and believe. It's a lot of women out here, bro. Y'all remember that. It's a lot of women out here. So women should low-key be the last thing on your mind, bro. Again, we need to be focusing on ourselves. And when we do focus on ourselves, we have to stay focused. Because that focused life force energy, bro, is going to attract everybody. It's so crazy. You actually attract everybody by being by yourself first. You have to have this focus. You have to know, like, all right, because again, if you try to fit in, if you try to be like, oh yeah, I need me a girl, whatever, like, again, that shit is not gonna rock. Like, you're gonna be disappointed. You're gonna be like, damn, what the fuck? Damn, I'm doing everything for this female. Damn, I'm trying to text this female, and nigga, stop giving a fuck. Stop giving a fuck. Trust and believe. Fuck that shit. Focus on yourself. Care about you. Care about yourself. Care about your eating habits. Care about all that shit. Care about your well-being. Care about being on monk mode. Because the more you focus on yourself, is the more you're going to peep everybody's actions, because they're going to repeat their actions. They coming back. They coming back. They going to double back. They going to spin the block. But again, bro, it's up to you. You feel me? You already know what time it is, bro. You know the patterns. You know the cycles, dog. Stop playing. Stop playing. Get out your feelings. And this is to whoever. You feel me? Because me personally, I'm not even in my feelings right now, but I understand. I understand that life is life. Life is going to happen. And from time to time, you probably might feel some type of way. You know what I'm saying? About a particular female or a situation. But I trust God. I trust divine timing. I trust that. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I have the ultimate confidence within myself that I am going to be successful regardless. No shade to any of the females I'm talking to right now. I don't know if like anyone that I'm talking to right now is going to be the female that I'm going to settle down with. I'm not even scratching the surface of where I want to be yet. And that's what you have to realize too, bro. This is a whole journey, dog. If you're in your 20s, if you like 24, 25, and you've been talking to a female for about 4 or 5 years and shit, you think she's going to be in your life for the rest of your life the whole time, like that's just an era that's about to end. That's an era that's about to end. And the thing about it is like, that's the thing with eras. Eras really do end when you start focusing on yourself. Or you fucking get played and you get hurt and now it's just like, oh, woe is me. I need to fuck this bitch. I need to go ahead and get better and man, I'm gonna focus on myself. Don't wait for you to get disappointed or you to get your heart broke or for you to get played, for you to be like, you know what? I'm gonna start focusing on myself. Don't wait for that shit to happen, bro. Initiate that shit first, bro. Any female that you talking to type shit, if she on some type of games too, still, why are we still fucking playing games? I told you that some of these women will double back, right? This has happened to me in about, I think in the past 3 years, I had somebody like double back. Thinking like, you know, things are gonna be different, my nigga. I'm gonna keep it a bean. If she's older, she's probably set in her ways. She probably, you know what I'm saying? With older women, you need to watch out for, bro, because they're very manipulative and they'll gaslight you. They'll make it seem, you know, they'll try to make it seem like, you know, you're tripping. Nigga, them older women, they more than likely, they're probably the same. If they say, oh, I'm going to take a step back or, oh, like, you're going to focus on yourself. The second, like, y'all link up together again, the only difference is her sex drive is going to be a little bit more higher. She's still going to want to fuck. But at the same time, the emotional games and all this shit, like, trust and believe. Older women, they'll still try to play you and manipulate you type shit. Not all of them, but most of them. Because, I don't know. Well, I do know, but y'all boys got to protect your energy, dog. You know what I'm saying? Protect your energy. Protect your energy and stay focused. Don't be tricked out your spot either, bro, because I've seen a lot of guys, you know, they lose frame, they lose control because, you know, a woman is just buttering them up and then, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like the better you are at controlling yourself, controlling your emotions, and just going, like, you know, being high vibrational, going within, is the better you'll have experiences when you do eventually, you know, want to talk to different women and shit, you know what I'm saying? And eventually you will find your girl. You will find your lady, dog. But, like, in the meantime, don't even stress that shit, bro. Dead ass, don't even stress that shit, dog. There's too many women out there for us to be stressing anyway. And there's so much money to get, too. You know what I'm saying? Remember, this is still a competition. You feel me? We low-key, we all are kind of competing against each other as men. But there's nothing wrong with no healthy competition. I just don't like when niggas be hating on the other niggas just because they got money. It's like, nigga, that nigga, he got money. He probably did, who knows what he did to get that bread. You know what I'm saying? But there are genuine guys out there that does have money. And they wouldn't just, like, play females and shit like that. You feel me? It might be one of you niggas. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I generally got money. I generally got everything together. And it's just like, yeah, nah, like, I'm not really Tyrone. I just got money like Tyrone. You know what I'm saying? So even with the niggas that have money, them niggas, y'all niggas is the one that really need to have your head on the swivel too. Mainly. You feel me? Nobody is safe. No relationship is safe. Trust and believe. I know. I hear from a lot of married women, just like, why are you talking to me? You become that forbidden fruit. You know what I'm saying? The tree of knowledge. They want to feed from the tree of knowledge. You know what I'm saying? You become low-key the tree, a walking, talking tree of not because you have access to infinite intelligence. You are going within. You are on monk mode. You know what I'm saying? You have conversations daily with the Most High. The Most High is literally in your head. You get everything first. So, you know, I just need to holler at y'all, bro. I know I ain't dropped a video yesterday, so definitely, you know, I'm just letting you guys know I am okay. There is a lot of stuff spiritually that I am dealing with and stuff, so I'm not gonna lie, whenever I be going through stuff like that, I don't like to, it's like sometimes it's easy to kind of put my problems to the side and give y'all like a motivational message, but if I'm really going through something, it's like, I don't want to like give off that energy of like there's something wrong, but hey, keep doing what you do, blah, 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 XYZ. So I'm at that point where I'm like, nigga, if I got like some internal problems or anything, whether, again, the anger issues, I'm working on that. You know what I'm saying? I know I come on here and I look goofy as hell and I be, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people be like, oh, he corny as hell and XYZ, but to my soul, to my core, to my heart, I know I'm about that life. And I don't need to prove that to you. I know I'm about that life. I know if it's up, it's stuck type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, legitimately. Like, I'm aware of the beast mode within me. Super aware of that. You know what I'm saying? It's like you got to tame that lion within, bruh. You got to tame that lion within. It's real. Because I'm aware of the line within. It's like, all right, cool. I'm sparing a lot of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Not y'all, but I'm just saying like people out in the Matrix and shit. So yeah, I'm working on it, bro. I'm working on it, and we gonna get it. We gonna get it together though. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, outside of that, man, maybe I'll go live for a little bit tomorrow. Well, nah, it's an early day tomorrow, so who knows? We'll see if I could go live sometime tomorrow. We're going to see what's good. But MGT, what it do? It's your boy Moody Starr, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new, you already know what to do. Excuse me. You already know what to do, man. Become a subscriber. Like the video and join MGT. This is a channel where I like to highlight current events and talk about my spiritual walk here in this beautiful, fucked up, sideways ass matrix. Now, first of all, I got to say a special shout out to anybody that's holding on to your energy, going within and being high vibrational. Here at MGT, this is what we do. We work on ourselves every single day. Intro for the outro. Yeah, bro. This is the world that we live in, man. Focus on yourself, man. Focus on yourself, bro. Whoever is in your life or whatnot, or whoever you thought you was talking to, or you thought, okay, yeah, she's going off to college. She's just gonna be okay, go to college and come back and be your girl. Nigga. If she ever go away to college, that's not your girl. I'm telling you right now, that is not your girl. She's going to experience a lot of shit. Okay, and I feel like you as a guy, whether you're 19, 20, 21, 22, you got to understand that like a lot of these females, they don't owe you any type of loyalty. No matter how loyal you are to them, when they feel as though they want to experience something and they link up with somebody and they be like, I don't know how it happened, it just happened. Come on, bro. You feel me? So don't put your heart into these relationships unless you know she's serious about you. Y'all already went to college together. She probably got her whole phase out the way type shit. You know what I'm saying? And even then, you still got to be aware. You always have to have your head on a swivel. Look at Young Jeezy. I know that's not a great example, but he was married to his wife for how many years? Fucked around and divorced. There's an expiration date on everything. So with that in mind, this is how you keep your sanity, okay? You keep your sanity by keeping your energy and focusing on yourself, bro. Keeping your energy to a minimum where it's like, okay, you can care about somebody, but at the end of the day, they gonna care about themselves, nigga. In a heartbeat. In a heartbeat. There was a status I seen. Of course, this was a joke, but like, lady, I think the status said, ladies, 8.5 billion to let two guys run a train on you. You going for it or not? And so many females was commenting, choo. Like, bro, y'all hoes don't even got morals, bro. 8.5 billion. A lot of these females is like, man, they'll let two niggas train them. Now, I know it's a joke, and I've seen that status plenty of times. Some of y'all hoes be serious for real. Some of y'all hoes will go out for less than 8.5. Some of y'all will go out for 85. You know what I'm saying? So, see the type of women and shit that exists and that's out there that we kind of have to, we don't necessarily have to deal with, but those are the type of women that will want your sexual energy, especially retaining your energy. If you're retaining your seed, they trying to get you to spill your shit. They trying to keep you in that sexual state, low key. Because there's potent sexual energy. Women love that shit, bro. I go on and on talking about this, but I'm finna end the video for today. If you fuck with this content, appreciate the like, appreciate the super chat. You can drop a bag on the Cash App to support the team. PayPal as well. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I'm gonna definitely see you guys on the next video, bro. Stay up and stay focused, bro. Don't let these females mess with your head. Peace.